Right, it's been a while since I made a video. There's been a lot of stuff going on, some illnesses and some stuff that has prohibited me from making videos and possibly will for a little bit longer. But I've just finished a project that I've been trying to complete for a while, so this is really about getting a quick video about that. So this is a very quick video. I haven't even got lighting set up and stuff, and the audio won't be as good as normal. Yeah, so the EXL-100, I've made a lot of videos about it. It's a machine I love, as you know. The one thing about it is it uses infrared for all of its peripherals, joystick and keyboard. I got a new one. It didn't come with a keyboard. In fact, as you can see, two new ones, neither of which came with a keyboard. This one does have the joysticks though. But I figured I've always wanted to make the keyboard for it anyway, and I did start doing it before. So I continued doing that, and now I've done that, and here it is. This is keyboard. I think it's kind of nice. Its styling matches the styling of the EXL-100 itself. This is my new, because this is from my new bamboo mini printer, so it's actually multi-material, multi-color printing, so that's all built inside. I realized the audio is going to be really horrible because I keep moving away from the microphone. Apologies. Yeah, so it's all printed as one thing, which is really nice. But anyway, this works, and I will show a bit of B-roll now. B-roll because both of these have problems with the IR receiver. This one, it doesn't work at all, and the bottom one, it's really intermittent. I recorded this from the bottom one. Yeah, it's annoying, but anyway, yes. So the PCBs are already available. They're available on my GitHub and also on the Reinfuse website. The 3D stuff for this will be available soon. I've done the keycaps already, all the keycaps. So yeah, these are actually custom printed keycaps. So they mirror what's on the actual EXL-100 keyboard. There's also an AZERTY version, as well as the QWERTY one, obviously, because it's a French computer, so you have to have an AZERTY option. Yeah, the 3D for the printing for the case will be available soon. I putting this together, and noticed a small issue that I want to correct before I put those up. But it's all obviously open source, freely available to download and make yourself. But yeah, it works. It's got a joystick port as well, so it can use an Atari style joystick. Oh, the power lead hanging out the back. So the original keyboards are powered using a PP3 battery at 9 volts. But you can kind of have all sorts of options, and I've got a plug-on board that will go inside, which will let you use USB to power it. This is just a DC adapter, which will let you use 5 volts or 9 volts to power the whole thing. So there are options to do that. That's fine. You can still put a PP3 in there if you really want to. But yeah, it's a wonderful computer. I think this is a good project. It certainly works nicely. Cherry MX key switch things. So just kind of standard key switches, which is good. Yeah. Freely available now. If you like the video, please hit like. If you really like the video, please hit subscribe. If you didn't like the video, you have something else to say, then please leave it in the comments below. I will see you soon, hopefully.
The present is horrible. The future looks bleak.